Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my previous videos, I've been showing you that SushiSwap has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern. Previously, it broke out a very big and huge falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart, and after that, it broke out another smaller falling wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. And now, if we move to the live chart, this is by the way a weekly time frame chart, and this was a bigger falling wedge pattern that we broke out here in the month of October 2023, and after that we had a nice pump, but the price then got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. And this resistance zone has been previously working as a very strong long-term resistance zone here from the month of May 2022 up till the month of Feb 2023. Then we had a big drop, and the price then started another very massive reversal after the breakout from this Fed. The price then after that again got rejected by this resistance zone and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And recently we have broken out this wedge, but got rejected by another resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. That was previously working as a very strong support zone here for several months. And after the breakdown here, it was flipped into resistance. And now after the breakout here, it was working as a support. And again, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for banana, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared a few days ago on 22nd of October 2024. And you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of SushiSwap. And this is the weekly time frame chart. First of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, the price was moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here, rejection, rejection, rejection. Then we had another bounce here, few more rejections here, almost had another bounce here, another bounce here. And after this small rejection, finally the price then broke out the resistance of the wedge. But so far, it is not able to break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. If you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that for the past few weeks, it is working as a resistance. Before that, for several weeks, it had been working as support here. And by the way, here the price line also formed a head and shoulder pattern as well. And at that time, this resistance zone from 85 cents to 94 cents was also breaking as a neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. And before that, here for several weeks or months, it has been breaking as a support here and here as a resistance. Therefore, now again, it is breaking as a very, very strong resistance. And after the breakout from this resistance zone, it can soon hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. That is here at the top of the wedge at $2. And then it can hit the next very long-term resistance zone that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.